Pasat 2006 neutral safety switch replacement. You gotta remove that bolt right there, that bolt up there, and that bolt right there. Then you gotta remove these two 10mm safety, these three 10mm bolts. Take off the shield, then take off the mount. Take off the mount. You have to support the transmission. I got a big lug and a jack under it, so by the time I remove that mount, it'll be already supported. Gotta remove this harness strap, and after that, follow wiring things up there. It's just hidden, and then I'll show following procedures on how to take that off. To get to that little bolt, I got a little box end wrench. I just tapped it in there and cracked it loose. By the grace of God, it's not tighter than they probably get because of the rust. Rust actually seals these and gets them really bad where they actually break in place. So in my case, I got it loose with a box end wrench, so 10mm. So yep, I'll slowly just get it off, take the shield off, and then deal with the transmission mount. An 8mm short socket, normal socket from a ratchet. I stuck it up there. You can see I have sufficient space to just barely just start torquing down on it to release it. But it is uncomfortable as it can get. So again, it's not a ball end, it's a straight 6-sided socket. Allen wrench, whatever the name is. Yeah, that thing. This guy, but the short style. That one. That side. So yeah, I got that guy up there. I'm gonna loosen him up, and I got the engine mount loose. This bolt here is already loose. This guy should be already loose. I think I already did him. If not, I'll just keep on loosening up bolts. And okay, disassembling everything loosely. And I still got the bolt there also. So yeah, basically my configuration to get that top bolt loose. It's uncomfortable, but again, that's what you gotta deal with. I got a surprise right here. It seems like somebody tried to play around with this neutral switch and gave up. Because look at that little socket right there. I'm gonna pull it out, see what it is. It's not mine, because mine is right there. Mine is the cheap stuff of Pittsburgh. That socket is from somebody who tried to deal with this sensor already and did not have a good time with it. Let's see what we got. Or with something similar, but let's see. I know it ain't mine, 100%. Come on. There we go. Alright, yep, there we go. It's T30. Pretty old. Somebody just abandoned it. Seems like somebody was working up top and it fell down. Bloop, fell right between that sensor, and that was it. I'm going to call this the theory of reorganizing up. So let's say that I mixed up this bolt with these other two, right? All of a sudden you just forgot who goes where. This applies to timing chain covers. This applies to a whole bunch of different areas, right? So you got three bolts, two of them the same, one is different. Make a careful observation. See that long ledge? Long ledge, long bolt. Simple. See that? See that short step there? Short step. Short step. So you got a short step, short bolt. Short bolt. Short bolt. Long bolt. That's how you fix up a dilemma when you're taking out brackets. All of a sudden you just forget about where do the bolts go. Well, long bolts goes on long shoulders. Short bolts goes on short shoulders. Hence the reason why this has such a short shoulder right there and a little washer. Here's the long bolt with a long shoulder for this type of shoulder. and the washer. So there you go. Here with the T27. See it right there. T27. We'll proceed to take out this guy over here and this guy over here. Take those two out. And hopefully this guy should just pop out. Hopefully. Let's see what happens.